Today we'll guide you through the steps to change your Yahoo Mail password in 2024. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to mail.yahoo.com. Now sign into your Yahoo Mail account with your current email address and password. Once you're logged in, click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a circle with your profile picture or initials. From the drop down menu, select Account Info. In the Account Info section, click on Account Security. You might need to re enter your password or verify your identity to access this section. Once you're in the account security section, click on change password. Enter your new password in the provided fields. Make sure it's strong and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your new password, click on continue or save to update your password. Yahoo Mail will confirm that your password has been changed. You may be asked to sign in again with your new password. To ensure your account is secure, consider enabling two-step verification if you haven't already. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Yahoo Mail password.